I never thought I would buy this.
The light cones from Karl Taylor in Vflat look like dog cones, but are specifically designed to diffuse the light properly and help with reflections. It's primarily for shooting top-down or flat lays, but you can apparently play with them to get different angles and effects, which is what I plan on doing. As creatives, we always find a way and are often using things outside of their intended purpose, so challenge accepted. As you get to know me, I'm a stubborn person and fairly resourceful when it comes to dealing with reflective products, so I was hardcore avoiding buying these. However, I get asked about them often, and it might be fun to finally give them a try. Now, as I was unboxing, I noticed these marks, and so I stopped unboxing really quickly after this to fill out a support ticket.
Okay, it's here. So for quick reference, I ordered these. I was doing an unboxing video and the large one arrived damaged. So I stopped my unboxing video and I quickly sent an email to their customer support, which, kudos to their customer support, was a very pain-free process to send me a replacement. So we're now going to finish this unboxing video, and it's been a long time coming. Oh, it looks perfect. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna do a quick test shoot on these little earrings here, which I know from experience are very reflective and can be a bit of a pain. So this is gonna be a great test. All right, so these are designed to shoot flat lay, and I'm not going to do that. I am going to shoot the earrings at an angle, and so I'm going to create a contraption to allow me to do that. And it might not be the best practice, who knows, but it's what I've come up with for my first shot with these things. So it's kind of funny, my first shot will not be to shoot it as intended, but that's just the way it works. So I'm going to set something up, and then I'll walk you through what I came up with, and then we'll take a shot. Sometimes buying a tool or piece of equipment feels like failure. Like you're cheesing a mechanic in a video game. It sounds silly saying it, but there is a lot of ego in photography, and I have to check myself often to make sure I'm not letting ego prevent me from growing, learning, or simply making my life a little easier. Like as if struggling or doing things in a more complicated way is some kind of badge of honor. So we bought the damn cones, and here I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to set everything up, and I took a quick test shot before adding in the cone, and then grabbed these clips to balance the cone at an angle. So what do we think? I think it's pretty damn cool. So you can shoot it at an angle. I know that was a big question that I had, and I know others probably had, because the intention for these is to shoot flat lays, shoot straight down, or even at slight angles here and there. But this was like a pure angle, so that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I used clips to kind of balance it at that angle, and I think it worked out pretty well. I could probably have gotten away with this same setup with this size and just use like a smaller rise, like a shorter riser, and just shrink the whole setup and use some smaller clips probably. So there it is, an unboxing and a customer service resolution ticket situation and a test shot. I hope that that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.